How to use papaya leaves to fight dengue. Papaya leaves to fight dengue. Being considered as one of the healthiest fruits, papaya helps in curing many diseases. Not only the pulp but its leaves contain many healing properties. Its leaves are well known to increase the platelet count and are also enriched with anti-malarial properties, making it the best home remedy to fight against dengue fever and other illnesses. Number 2. Enhance body's immunity. Enhance body's immunity. Papaya leaves contain phenolic compounds, papain, and alkaloids, and these nutrients act as strong antioxidants which, in turn, enhance the body's immunity. Also, the combination of papain and another compound helps in effectively digesting the essential proteins which can cure digestive disorders. Number 3. The study. The leaf extract increases platelet counts in the patients suffering from dengue. According to a study done on 400 patients who received standard treatment for dengue, and half of them, who were in the control group, received a specific dosage of the papaya leaf extract in the form of tablets. It was found that the patients in the control group had an elevated platelet count during the papaya therapy and had fewer side effects. They also did not require blood transfusions. Number 4. Subsides dengue symptoms. Subsides dengue symptoms. Many health experts suggest papaya leaf juice as an effective remedy to treat dengue fever. This deadly disease is caused by Aedes mosquitoes. They transmit the disease into our blood and cause high fever, skin rash, and decrease in platelet count. The extract from papaya leaf helps in reducing the symptoms of dengue. Number 5. Contains anti-malarial properties. Papaya leaves also have strong anti-malarial properties, making them best to cure dengue fever. Acetogenin, a compound found in papaya leaf, helps in preventing disease like malaria and dengue. Number 6. Different ways to use papaya leaves to cure dengue. Ways to use papaya leaves to cure dengue. The juice or pulp made from papaya plant is quite effective not only in fighting the symptoms of dengue fever, but also in curing it. Here are some ways you can use papaya leaves to cure dengue fever. Method 1. Partly dry some medium-sized papaya leaves after thoroughly washing them. Cut them into small pieces. Place the leaves in a saucepan with 2 liters of water. Bring the water and leaves to boil and then simmer. Do not cover the saucepan until the water is reduced by half. Strain the liquid. Fill this extract in glass containers. Method 2. Another way is to eat ripe papaya daily. Also, you can drink a glass of papaya juice by adding a little lemon juice. Drink this juice for at least 2 to 3 times a day and you can cure dengue fever faster. Method 3. Take some papaya leaves and crush them. Once you get the juice from the extract, drink 2 tablespoons of this bitter juice 2 times a day.